Flood is Malaysia's most significant natural hazard. Other than floods, the country also experienced some man-made landslides, mostly causing considerable damage to property and loss of life. Monsoonal floods are an annual occurrence that varies in terms of severity, location and time of occurrence. Therefore, when a riverbank is overtopped, the water extends over the floodplain and generally becomes hazard to the society. The floods that occurred in Malaysia were due to a combination of physical factors such as elevation and also its proximity to the sea, apart from heavy rainfall during the monsoon period. Terengganu, Kelantan and Pahang are located in east coast of Peninsular of Malaysia which receive heavy rainfall during the northeast monsoon. Heavy rainfall occurs between October and March, leading to severe floods almost every year across these states. These states also has never missed an event of flooding, especially during the months of November and December during the northeastern monsoon period. The effect of the flood itself are divided into two categories, which is primary and secondary. Physical damages towards the property of human beings such as cars, houses, building and even casualties like people and livestock death due to drowning are examples of primary flood damage. The primary effect of floods is due to the direct contact with the flood waters. Flood cause the disruption of many essential services like gas and electricity are the examples of secondary flood damage. The contamination in the drinking water supply is the most common problems when floods occur. Structural measures are any physical designs taken to reduce or prevent any future hazard consequences, or the use of advanced techniques or technologies to create resistance to hazards and stability of structures or systems. Example of structural measures are the river upgrades, river embankments, tidal gates and multifunctional dams. Non-structural strategies are non-physical building initiatives that use expertise, experience or consensus to minimize the risks and impacts of natural disasters, especially through policy and regulations, public awareness raising, training and education. The example are the National Land Code 1965, Water Act 1920, Drainage Works Act 1954, Local Government Act 1976, Land Conservation Act, Environmental Quality Act 1974 and Uniform Building Bylaws. Avoid swimming in the flood water because it got many pathogens present in there and also the strong current can take you away.